Okay, it looks like we're live. So welcome back. Today I'm going to be continuing to work on Kano.ts, which is the server that I'm writing in TypeScript. So let's see. That is not right. So it does work as a text editor. And I did last time. Where is it? I don't have the. There should be a way to save it, but what happened to that? Wait, hang on. Hold up. There's always something. How is it out of date? How did it get? I have no idea how that happened. Is it this one? Okay, so I was just in the wrong place. That's fine. Wait, there we go. Yes, there we go. So we can save it. So if we type it out and then save it, we can put it in the file name and save it, and it will save it on here. So we can save it as that. So that's the file name, and we have it here, and then yeah, and then we can open it, and it does save. So that's pretty cool. It does function now. Happy no end curse November. Very true, very true. And no React November. All of those important things. Only JS. True. Only JavaScript. JavaScript without React and no end curses this November. No JavaScript January is going to be tough though. Alright, so I think I want to maybe do... The font kind of bothers me, but I'm not sure what to do about that yet. I kind of want to work on modes though, like insert mode and stuff like that. Like that could be cool. Like have an insert mode and normal mode, and then we can have keypoints, right? We can use... If I want to do that though, we'd go more standard route perhaps. Or I could do rows, like scrolling kind of thing. So if we get down in the bottom, but I don't really want to do that because that's boring. So, font is insane. Yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry about that. Hey, let me try something else. Like they're the same size, but they aren't the same size here. So that's where the problem is. Because you can see the M is bigger. So what? Let's try a different font. Because I might be able to make it look better if I do that. Let's see. Where do I set the font? Let's see. Yes. So let me do. Can I do, can I do that? That's the font that I use for thumbnails. Yeah, and is it gonna work? Let's see. I don't know how the font works on TypeScript. Right, that seems to be the same font. So what is another font? Another font. Font is due for they in French. Wait, font is due for they. I don't know. It's due for like I don't understand that sentence. Font is due for they. Font. Like this. Make. I don't understand. What if I just do that? Is that different? But I need them to be the same. You can see this is the same size as the N, but then it's way bigger than the N. Oh, the word changes depending on. I see. Okay, I understand. Do for they. All right. Yes. All right, that makes sense now. What's another phone? Hack? I can get one, right? I don't know if you have to install that though, so I don't know how that works. It seems that Roboto is that Google one, right? Uh, let me see. What is the tag? So it's actually HTML image change file. Let's see what some of the fonts are. Ilfate. He does. Elfate. News. I can't say that. I don't know how to pronounce that. We do. English doesn't have that. Yeah, English is just way better. There we go. How does there we go? It doesn't look any different. What's the deal with that? Is it not related? That could have been the issue. It doesn't look any different. It's the same. Why does it not change? Normal. I don't know. Doesn't seem to reload though. Right. The point of the watch mode is that it's supposed to be. Am I the wrong one open? Yeah, no, that's the right one. Oh, but this is still the wrong one. Yeah, okay. So I changed the wrong file. Okay. 24 pixel. There we go. Alright, so let's try this. And now it'll actually work. Did that. Alright, still reload. Still doesn't look different. Let's try it. But you also cannot say like JS code in French, so you can't make an adjective out of a noun just like that. I see. Code made using see, so English coded, right? Still not. Is it a different font? It looks the same. Why does it not work? Um. Dash TS. That's the one that we're in here now. Yes. Okay, that one is definitely different. It's still not the right size though. So how do I get one that's a consistent size? How would you rate your code? Probably 2 out of 10. French is more primitive. Yes. DB Cooper. DB Cooper. Perhaps. My eyes. Wait, I think there's a natural. Yeah, there we go. Like the car. Finally can catch a stream. Hey, how you doing? I haven't streamed in a long time. It's been almost a week. Yeah, I've been super busy. Hijacked that. Okay. Wait, is this the guy? Let me see. The parachute. I think I heard about this, but I don't remember the details. Bro, his eyes are falling apart. Flashbang. Eye color. No passenger died. Not sure what this is about. Need to do styling. What's that's what it's called, right? The Google. Let's go, let's go. Right, this I just need like a list of fonts that will work. I don't car who you Mini Cooper. Real and true. What is this? Like I want ones that are like default available. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Right, and then oh, this is also kind of flashbang. Got a privacy error. The website is trying to steal my information. Okay, that looks interesting. They're still like they're not the right size though. This is an issue. Are they all like this, perhaps? Okay, thank you, Stream Elements. Thank you for that. That'd be cool to have. Right. Perhaps there's a different issue. Like why? Like it needs to change the size depending on what it is. But that one's good. You see the different sizes, right? That causes a lot of issues when you're trying to highlight. Like all of these, they're the same width. Hello, how you doing? Went too far. Real and true. Right, perhaps I will not do this because I don't know what to do about that. Right. There, DOS edit.exe on browser. DOS? It's not look good. That's close. That might actually be good. Actually, good. Let me try that, and then I will adjust the width of the thing. Do I have a lot of hard-coded numbers in here? Because that would suck. Where's the height? Let me see. I haven't looked at this in a long time. Fill text. Right. Where do we put the rect? I do. Very nice. I'm very glad I did that. So if we do 15, no, 15. There we go. And let's see. Okay. They seem to be nicely close together. And then if we just change this to 15 and this, I think. Something like that. Okay, that looks a lot better. Okay. So, the cursor's in a weird position. It's supposed to be after it. It's kind of strange. I don't have that thing, so maybe it's not. I can do that by we do 16. Which way does it go? It does look a lot better though. So yeah, I think we'll keep it like that. That's right. It's fine. I'm not the biggest fan, but it does work out. What is this? Okay, gotta allow that. Okay. What is this YouTube video? Take a look at that. FreeDOS. All right. Arial font. I tried that. It did not work. Woke up with an unresisting pain in my left arm. Yes. I literally can't do a thing with my hand. Try to move it. Wait, how do you show that? I'll get to that. If I try to move it even so slightly, I get a... What happened? Were you doing some sports or something the other day? Perhaps? How do you show the cursor in the right place? So basically, we keep track of where the cursor is at, and then we place it here. So we iterate over. If it's basically the cursor position, then we place it there. So we fill this, and we update the cursor whenever we do things, right? So we have a cursor position, and when we insert text, it gets iterated by 1. There's no copy paste right now, and then we can also move it with the arrow keys. So that's how it gets displayed in the right place. And yeah, so I think that this works a lot better. We don't have support for that, so we'll get it. But yeah, this seems to work pretty good. Control, it places that, and so do some other keys, but that's fine. Just woke up. We're up. Yes, it is pure canvas. Yeah, so all the HTML, this is all it is, right? So we have, this is for this and this one. They're for saving it. But then everything else is just the canvas, and it's done in JavaScript only using canvas. You can put your Kano C program yeah, I don't want to do that, though. I'm wanting to do JavaScript. Know how to center a div. That's a good question. We should try that. Did nothing yesterday, and the Dennis Ritchie's spirit. True. The box cursor. What is that? What does this mean? Oh, it's just, it's on the canvas, right? We fill a rectangle on the canvas right here. There's some hard-coded numbers in here, which I should change. But basically, we just fill the rectangle, and like this is to make it transparent. I don't know why. Oh, yeah, because this affects the whole thing. We fill in the rectangle at the position. So we look at the, right, we get the start. This is the current row. We get the start. And then we also offset it by the cursor position, which I don't know how we do that. We'll do something like that. Chat is double. What is this? What is this? Interesting. I did not either. I just figured it all out as I went along. Can't see the cursor when it's on the first character, so that's not great. What if we show it by once? How does this work? Let me look at this. What is it? Fill rectangles. Right. I do want to try centering a div though, because I don't know if. Let's take a look. So what is this except? Right? Can I look at that, please? Please. X, Y. Yeah. So what if we make the X just 1? So we display it at the next one. You know, it might look a little weird. I think that might be better. Maybe not, because it kind of inserts kind of weird. But yeah, we still can't. Can we see it on the next one? We can though, right? So do we want to do that? Ooh, is that why? Because the start is 0, so then it subtracts 1 from that. That could be it. Last time I did it was 5 years ago. Bruh. Made a WebGL game once in lecture. It's weird. You are typing C code inside JavaScript strings. Really? Interesting. WebGL. How does that work? WebGL. Hang on. There's also this video that was linked. I forgot about that. I'm gonna copy the link to that, and I want that. There's a lot of stuff going on. Let's see. I wanted to see that video. We'll get there though. The sound is not. Let me just see what it is. Because it's about. There is sound, but I'm not gonna turn it on. I just want to see what the text editor looks like. Okay, W. Very cool. Okay, I might actually base the whole thing on this. That could be cool. 3 dots edit. Okay, WebGL. I'll look at that soon. Save with WebGL in real Library, so it's open. Row is cooked. Right. What was I doing? Yeah. So if it's the first row, we don't want to do one. Or if So if. Oh yes, that's where the cursor is. One is 0. Yeah. So I want to do if. Rows I started equals 0. Then I can keep this. Consider switching to Firefox fork from Brave. Maybe, perhaps. I used to use Firefox. I kind of like Brave, and I like changing things. LibreWolf is OP. That's cool. I might. I don't know. Perhaps. I like the Brave search though. Start equals 0. Yeah. I want to do that. That's kind of good. It's perhaps. I could do a what's it called? One of the things where I won't do that thing. For right now, I could do that, but I'm not going to. Yeah, so that should display it properly. Or not. Okay, we're good. Oh yeah, it just needs to be the start. So if the cursor minus that is 0, yeah, that's what we have to do. Never need less than 0. So okay, there we go. So that looks a lot better. Still doesn't work at the very start. But it would if we delete it. Well, we can't. There is backspace. Yeah. So when it first starts, the cursor's not drawn, so that's why. A lot of stuff. Can still use Brave Search. Yeah, I know you can use it. There. Yes, I know that. For sure. I'm saying, like, the thing about Brave is I feel like it perhaps has a better chance of, like, continuing on if Chrome were to die or whatever, or, like, be cut off. It could potentially, like, I feel like Firefox could, perhaps. They have a lot of development behind that. But one of the forks of Firefox would die if Firefox dies, right? That's what I'm saying, right? Set up DDG in LibreWolf. Yeah, I hate DuckDuckGo though, so I'm not gonna do that. And you can't just change it to Brave. Well, you can't just change it. What? Yeah, well that's true, but you know. What is this? Introduction to shaders. WebGL shaders. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look. I don't know anything about graphics. Right. Where's the C code? I'm a little confused. Very cool. I'm not gonna read all that. I don't. Yeah. Okay, this works. That's a lot better. Things are better now. Let's see the cursor. Display properly. It looks nice. The font is much better. You can go up and down. Oh, so that's cool. Okay, W. I'm gonna commit that, and then. What is changed? Firefox even has telemetry on by default. Yes, that is true. So usually you want to use, like, you can harden Firefox where you disable a lot of stuff, or use LibreWolf, or something like that does that by default. Yeah. I'd probably, if I was gonna do that, I probably would just use default Firefox and harden it. Well, let's see. Its cursor position and change font to look a lot better. Okay, no. LibreWolf is just wow. Doesn't take 1 minute to disable. Yeah, it's not very hard. A lot of people don't do that though. Arkenfox? What? What makes LibreWolf so good? Like to you? Yeah, I could use a turn this, but I don't want to, so I'm not going to. So yeah. So yeah. Let's see. Yeah, so I think modes now would be cool. Pretty cool. So how do I want to do that? I'll add it to this. And there is enums, right? They work kind of weird. But I'm gonna use them because Theo said not to. We're gonna ship WebKano as a Docker container that's running cloud functions on AWS. By the way, what framework do you use? React? Well, I can't use React. It's no React November. Maybe can't. Yeah, I use Kano.js. I should make a framework. That's a great idea. Make a JavaScript framework. Things are slow. I don't know what happened. My browser froze. Make a JavaScript framework and then build the text editor in that. That'd be double. All right, let's make this enum. This is gonna be nodes. There's cup mode. So we'll have normal mode, and that is the default. So then you have trailing comments. Yeah, so mode, and we want to do the type of the mode should be. Okay, but actually we need to set this. So by default it would be normal. We have trailing comment? Yeah, we can. We need to add it here as well. So I forgot about that. I don't actually need to move it up because this is a real language compared to C, which is a fake language. W. I hate Theo. I hate Theo. No, we love Theo. We love. That's an instant ban, actually. We love Theo. Yes, our father Theo. The point of LibreWolf, it saves cookies. Wait, it saves cookies of websites you choose to save your. Oh yeah, well you can set that on Firefox too, right? I think you can do that on Brave too. Like mine, I have it up by default. I think the cookie stuff, but you can set it. Like you can configure Brave a lot, and I'm pretty sure Firefox as well. So right now the mode doesn't do anything. I want to make sure it actually compiles. It does not. So normal doesn't exist. So we need to do the weird thing. We need to like mode dot. Okay. He thinks he knows it all, but in reality, anything he covers in his channel outside his domain is filled with misinformation. No, that's not true. Theo's never wrong. Best browser overall is still Minx.x. That is true. Well, Internet Explorer, actually, I think is the best, in my humble opinion. Right. So the mode really just affects the keybinds. I don't think we need to display them differently, because I'm not going to set up like different kind of cursors like this, where it's a flat one and then it becomes a thick one, things like that. I'm not doing all that. Also, I just realized you can do this and move backwards forever. Never thought about that. You can't do that in Kano. Because it stays in the same place. So, never thought about that. Okay. Wait. I can still install Netscape Navigator on Linux. Okay, based. Was Internet? I think it can still use Internet Explorer, but it doesn't receive any updates, and it's very unsafe, and it probably, most websites don't work anymore. But I think you can still use it. I don't know about on Linux, though. But yeah, Netscape Navigator apparently can use that, so that's cool. That's W. So let's switch over the buffer dot. It shouldn't really be in the buffer, but that's fine. Buffer dot mode. Right, so it's a double switch. And the ones have actually different things for that, so it's not a nested switch thing. Case mode dot normal. We'll do normal. I'll pass the key there as well. And I think we need a break. Mode dot insert. We'll do insert. And we'll pass the key there as well. Right, and we might need to return some values over there. Let's put this in the insert key. So, Theo game. True, we love Theo. He's the goat, and we love. And we'll, so we need to do this weird thing. keyboard event. That's a lot of stuff for a function. I think there's an easier way to do it, but maybe not. So this is for now. We'll just return 0. And there we go. Can install it from here. Why would you use a browser when you can curl info from your terminal? That's true. Fortunately, you can't compile from source since all dependencies are 30 years old. Okay. W. I'm not setting up Flatpak stuff right now, so potentially unsafe. Those were the days. 5 megabytes for the whole browser. Crazy. That's a W though. I never used Netscape Navigator, but I used like old Internet Explorer, and it looks similar to this. Obviously not the same because it was a different thing, but yeah, that's a W. I'm not old enough for Netscape Navigator. Use DNS over HTTPS over Tor. Bruh. Let him cook, Sigma. What the Sigma? Okay, wait, let me grab this. Did I already copy it? Maybe. Perhaps not. That W. So this, will we just return the value? Is that what we want to do here? Perhaps it is, perhaps. What is that? Right, in bin. Because I'm used to using Knet, but I'm using it. So when you do a tab, you can navigate it through it like spaces and delete it, and it becomes then 3 spaces. But then it's also a tab. Okay, so the tab is, okay, interesting. I should look into that one. Because Kano is just either tabs or spaces. Try Netscape thingy, and Google.com still works. Really? Well, Google, yeah, interesting. Oldest browser I've used in my life is that Chrome with unrounded edges on tabs. Bro. Google team maintains 100 different versions of their programs for backwards compatibility. It's impressive. Yeah, well, Google. My mom's computer like 8 years ago. Yeah, we'll just return key value probably. Right. So I don't, yeah, that should be fine. So let's try that. We don't have a way to go to normal mode, so let's actually just switch over key. And I suppose what we'll do here is case of I think that's what it would be, right? Then we'll just return. Well, we'll just set buffer.name insert. We need a way to go back to normal, but we'll get to that. And then we'll just return nothing there, I suppose. And then default, well, we don't even default, we'll just return nothing. Yeah, we can just do basic. Most of the normal keys aren't going to return anything. They'll delete stuff, but they won't really do that. Closed source game, very true. So return none and check for that, perhaps. And yeah, we'll set the key value equals this. Yes. Wait a minute. Right. Key value. Well, let's just return. Well, hang on. Let me think. Right. Well, we can just clear this up here. But now, let me try it. Is it going to compile? Love how in JS you can create consts as functions. Well, because I don't know why. I not find the name insert. Oh yes, it is not insert. It is mode.insert. Okay, W. So let me try that. So if we do that, nothing works. But I press I, and we can insert. Okay, W. And we need to handle all these like escape. It does this. So let's actually handle escape now because that's how we're going to change that. Case escape. And we'll return. Yeah, we just said no. Let's see, we're going to return nothing in that case. Buffer.mode is mode.normal. Okay, so now we need to display it, probably down here. So that does nothing, and then when we insert, it does this, and then we can go back to normal mode, and we can do nothing. All right, so we need the to move, but let's display the thing there. So how do I want to do that? You just write it every every frame basically. Well, because I don't know why. Yes, true. I don't know anything about why JavaScript does anything that it does. Should it be in the display text? Just do display. And always make this function above the display text so I can copy it. Display, because I don't remember how to draw text. The buffer is a global variable, so fill text. And you want to put it. We'll use the size of the canvas. So how do we get that? Yeah, canvas width and height. So we can do this. We can do all these things. Okay. That could be a function or whatever, but I don't care. No video this week, by the way. Bruh. Next one's going to be about AI. Ooh, AI in Rust. So we'll do, I don't know, we're going to do the row, or the height. Is dot height. Find 90% of it. And then, oh, but that's the X, so actually that's for the second one, I think. This one will be the width. Let's do 1% of the width, or 10% of the width, rather. Keep pressing the wrong button. No, JavaScript, JK Python. So what is it? JavaScript or Python? I never knew. Let's see, does that work? Did it compile, actually? I did not. I does not exist. That makes sense, actually. So how does this work? What is this number here? Wait, what would that be? Is that the font size? It shouldn't be. I don't know what it is. Oh, shoot, this is the text that we put here. Okay, that makes sense. Can we just do this? I don't know if that works. Like, I don't know how you can read your string. Cannot find node. Yeah, buffer dot buffer. As string. I don't think this is a thing, but string into string. I'm just gonna use a string if the enum cannot be converted. Then we have to use we can't just convert. How does this work? What? Color. Okay, I don't know what this means, but let me try that. His rants about Linux are based on his experience about 10 years ago. His takes on HTMX, honeypot drama. He believes his tools are the best and everything else is inferior. MacBook, macOS, React, TypeScript, VS Code, and Next.js. Can't forget about that. Believes without Electron, Linux wouldn't have any apps. His CrowdStrike and Intel CPU and ARM videos are outright wrong. Everything he claims is incorrect. But unfortunately, a lot of students watch him due to his front-end videos. True. Very true. But he's still the GOAT, so. Does this work? How does that work? Oh shoot, because of how, hang on. I want to look at the compile JavaScript, because I think that's it doesn't display it. So did I do wrong? Wrong. Let's do 50. Where is it at? Why doesn't it display it? This gets called. Yeah, it is called there. You have to do something else after doing that. What if I do this as well? I might change it, but we'll try that. Yeah, I do not see it. As for Nissus and who says, but Theo goat. Otherwise, you're right. Yes, but he's the goat, so you know. Is this getting rid of? Do I have to just put it after? I don't think it should. It does. Okay, wait. Does it clear the? Is it clear? Oh, it does. Okay, so that's what the issue was. All right. Yep. So let's do this dot width times 0. So 10%. Does that work? Not really. What are I? I also wanted color one time before. Okay, so we can do like a lot. Let's just put it at 0, actually. I think that, or like 10. That wouldn't be too much. That looks probably good. And then we'll go down. So we can dot height. 0.9. That's not quite far enough. So let's do. If we do that, then it's out of bounds, right? Let's do minus 10. Right? Should be good. Casey is on. Who is Casey? Which Casey? Alright, that looks good probably. And then it does change. Alright, that's it. Insert normal. Okay. Display. No, let's go there. And let's I still want to call it there. Let's also call it on the start. Let me do that. Before anything else happens. I don't know if that's awesome. What if I just call it in the global space? Okay, so it's displayed after that has a what if I go back? Failed. Okay, it fails? Why does it fail? Alright, so I guess it cannot call that. Let's do it here. I should have a main function then. Oh, handmade hero. Okay. Rust without rust. True. Watch, and be like 2 weeks. Yeah, sure. Sure, buddy. Trying to follow his style while coding in C++. www.based.com. Try and do this, and then just call this. Right, so main's not gonna be called, as far as I know. Yeah. What if I? It did not work, so I don't know how this works. Why does it say? What does it say? It's failed. That's here. Oh, because the canvas doesn't exist yet. So is there a way we can wait? Call on load. Call main function. Call main. Or can you just check for an instance, or how does that? I don't really want to alert that necessarily. Should just do it in here. Well, maybe not. Add event listener. Okay, sure. Listener. Load. I don't need the event, so let me just do like this. No. Okay. It's that, and then yeah, we'll just call. We'll call main, and then we can do other stuff. All right, W. Thank you. Thank you for your help. All right, that is very cool. So let's do the keybinds then. Normal keybinds. Yeah, we can put other stuff there. Base dot cooking. Is this? Oh shoot! Wait. This is Luke, right? Luke Smith. Is it? Isn't it? Yeah, Luke Smith. Yeah. W. So I have actually seen this before. I thought it looked familiar. W. Luke Smith. Alcohol. American. That's kind of funny. Okay. W. America. Chicken wings. The guy I learned Bash from. Before he left society for good and went to woods. Yes. Let's see. W. Luke Smith. On Jordan Peterson. I think I remember watching about this cooking thing. Luke Smith pot cooking. think I've seen this. Yeah, I actually watched this video, like when it came out, perhaps. And it was about this website. Yeah, double. He lives in the woods. And yeah, I guess it was traveling, that's what it said there. That was like a year ago though. I should make this. It's not very complicated, but not the wing sauce version. Okay, double. But it has started farming stuff. That is true. Hang on, let me open that back up. What's his newest video? Let's go back here. Well, this is some sort of traveling, but that was a year ago, so he's probably done now, right? Mental Outlaw also did the same. Alt-right Linux guys end up in the woods, bro. Returning to tradition. Remember, there's a lot of memes about Mental Outlaw being a deepfake of Luke Smith. And that's kind of fun. Alright, so in case base, so we'll do HJKL, right? JKL. W. Amish Amish slash Linux. Let's see. So this, right, it can be handled the same as this. So this could maybe be a function. Let's have a function for all of this. So we'll do cursor up. Put that in there. One loop. Cursor up. Open based videos. Right, it's not going to turn anything like that. Cursor up and then cursor down. Let's create the functions now and then I'll copy and paste the function. Left and right. Okay, what is down here? Cursor down. Oops, it's not going to do that. That's actually not right, and I'm stupid. So, which one was this? Hang on, this is right. Okay, this one is right. That's how that works. And this one is actually left. This was already in there, wasn't it? We get rid of that. DT also had iconic software rights. I remember that actually. Yeah, a lot of stuff with these Linux YouTubers. Arrow up. When was that video? I can't remember when it came out. Is it still up or did you take it down? Oops. I gotta be more specific. Yeah. Yeah, I think I watched it when it came out. That was like shortly after I got into Linux and stuff. Free software. Right, that was cursor up. Cursor up. Yeah. Open base is really hard to set up for daily use. Bruh. Linux is a spectrum where you are either a gun rights libertarian or a kernel developer VT. Yes, very true. I think there's a lot of overlap between those two, to be fair. You know? Let's sit down. The Linux experiment, yeah. I think I've seen some of his videos. I think he's, let me see, a lot of them have similar names, Experience. So I forget which one's which, but I think I know which one this is. Yeah, okay. I think he's like more normally user. He's got a lot of subscribers. I didn't know that. Yeah, most normal per. Yeah, he seems just like a normal dude for sure. Yeah, I think he's into Linux, but like not in the same way as someone like DistroTube or LucasSmith. Okay, so that's pretty much all of that. So then we can also use this here. So left, down, up, cursor right. Okay, that should work. And I can also have the other thing. Whoops, what was that? Okay, W. Let's try it. So it should work. Let's insert some things. And okay, cool. Yes, Linux. I mean, not Linux. I meant Vim keys. Brody Robertson has weird Barbie dolls in the background. Yes, I think he is. He's one of those. Yeah. A regular user. True. He has like yeah. What is let? So yeah, let arrow left. That's what it is. Arrow left. This is arrow down, up, and right. What are you hiding? You're just gonna have to wait and find out. Did I not put? Oh shoot. Okay, we'll get that combined. Alright, yeah. So it should, the arrow key should work for both modes now. Why does it stop displaying the, oh shoot, I see. Actually, we need to, well, what is that? Hang on. Get rid of this. And then we want to just look if epic and fun, very true. Can you just check the length equals 0? You have to check it like that. I don't know how to if it's 0, then well, if it's not 0, then you want to do some stuff. But we want to, how do we want to do that? It's not equal. That looks very good. We still want to display the mode regardless, though. In the text, I think. But we still want to redo it. Okay, that seems really good. So it's kind of like building up or something. I don't know what that was about. But this seems pretty good, and it doesn't. When you use the arrow keys, it doesn't display that. Why? Sorry if there's a loud noise. What is this? Display text. And do we want to display? Let's just put the display mode at the end of the display text function. Put it here. Or even at the beginning. It doesn't matter. Either way. Also, this guy Jason Goodison, whom I calmed down in the comment replies. Bruh. Wait, what comments on what? On one of your videos or a different video? Now it seems to display. Alright, W. So it displays that always. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And yeah, so insert and notebook. So what else would you have in here? It's not visual. So we have a lot of other keybinds. His video. Ooh. Bruh. Would kill programmers. What? How so? Oh, shoot, I'm in the wrong one. So it's up to date. Add normal and insert names. Push. A lot of insertions. It's because I pushed from the wrong directory and now we're cooked. Can I just pull? Or is it gonna be like how to do merge? Oh my goodness. Can I just discard this command? What even is the difference here, right? What was changed here? Because, yeah, because of that. The background. Hit convert, hit pull. Maybe it's. If I do that, can I modify it? Yes, I want to get rid of this one because I do not want that. There we go. Now I can commit. Okay. Actually, I need too much stuff. Fearmonger. Went from Java Dev to C++ for security. As AI progresses, I'm going to aim for harder languages. Fortran, Perl, and COBOL. W COBOL. I wanted to try COBOL. Get conflicts and we'll have more screen time. Very true. Okay, commit, merge. There we go. Oh my goodness. Try and do that. Try that. Self-conflicting. Very true. Okay. Get rid of this one. Then do it. Okay. We're good now. We got it. Get pull. Yeah, I did that. But then I wanted to do the merge. That's why I set the rebase to false. Now it works. Okay, double. Right? The wrong stuff. No. We made it. We made it. Let's close some more. What else? I could do some CSS styling to make this not look like this. FYI, as far as I know. How do you style? Let's see. I don't remember. Base. Yeah, something like this. Try that. I always want it to be on top like that. I've never been good at CSS, and I don't do it ever, so. What does this look like? Position relative or absolute? Why does it freezes when it loads this for some reason? The browser freezes. Why would I do the blur effect? Parent and child. It's not really a child. No, that's not what I want. No, that's not how I meant it. I want it above. Not at the top of it. Yeah, see, that's not what I want. So, not overlay. Yes, but why would I do that? Like, I don't know that that would look very good, would it? I'll try it, but I don't want to overlay. I want to position. Position relative. Sticky. What is a sticky position? I never knew what that meant. Position fixed. Okay. Let's see. What do these have? So let's do a class. I said I don't remember how to do that, so I'll just use that. So we'll do canvas. The indentation is not right, so fixed. Is that right? Mm, use old gifts for what? Position faces when you scroll up or down and it stays in the same place. Okay. And then input. I know that this is not a good way to do that, but I'm gonna do it like that. Okay, try that. Doesn't have to be the part. Yeah. Yeah, not exactly. So how do we do that? So I want it to look like this all the time. Width 100. H. VH. Okay. You need fixed only for the element. You need to be independent. Oh, okay. Let's see what that looks like. It's here. I don't know what a VH is. Does that not work like that? What is it for a class? It's like this. What is this one? Let's see. It's height as that too. Okay. Does that work? Is that how you do? Is that class? Right. How do you, I don't? Is it a dot? Yeah, it is dot. Okay. Cool. Isn't it's not changed. I did something wrong. I don't want to make a whole CSS file and stuff. Perhaps. Okay, let me try that. We'll come back to that. See how that works. No. Um, right, this is for the canvas. Let's go here. Go to add that. Wait, did not update this. Hang on. I'm in the wrong file. I am. Okay. I started in the wrong folder because I pulled it for testing purposes, and I was not modifying the right thing. Where is it? Next slide. There we go. Now it'll work. Now it'll actually change stuff. Okay, there we go. Why is it so large there? That's a lot. That is too much. Yes. Let me do that position right now. And then it goes there. So let's do left. What is it? Can you do left? The file name is actually first, so I'm gonna do this. do that. And what if we do on the canvas? Yes, but then it doesn't, then it stays in the right place. And the top can be top. Okay, don't listen to me, bro. Why does the canvas do this? Or do you have to do the position thing? That's too much now. I don't know how this works. Medium. Let's do a little bit more. Might be too much. Okay, W. Let's make this less actually. It's a good height for it. I want the width actually to be more. So I think 10 is probably good for that. Maybe 10 is a little too much. Let's do 8. Kind of arbitrary numbers, but that's fine. This width should be a little more, so let's do 10 for that still, and then we'll do the height is the same. And yeah, we need to add this actually be 11. Okay, let's do the width a little bit. This is gonna, yeah, I don't care. Who's gonna? I don't know that you can even use this on because it uses arrow keys, so it doesn't even matter, right? Shoot. Something is broken. I cannot move my cursor. What the heck? But it still recognizes this. I don't know what happened. Okay, there we go. So that looks pretty good. And then we'll do this a little less. So the height is this, which is 4. Bam! Beautiful. Now it looks good, always, kind of. I should make this dynamically change the width as well, but I'll do that later. Okay, yep. Very cool. Mega cool. It's calculated using height of the screen, and phones have weird ratio. It's gonna look so weird using letterboxing on Firefox hardening browsers. I don't know what letterboxing is. I don't know. That's what I don't know why it moves like that. Also, where did my cursor go? What? Okay, that's pretty cool though. It looks a lot better than it did at the start. I feel like that might be too big, but it's fine. That's pretty good though. Let's go here. Where is the... What happened to the colors? Why are they... Anti-fingerprinting technique. Ooh. Font based on that. Well... That's not... And it's good for people with uncommon resolutions so that they aren't unique. I feel like that doesn't work. I don't think that's any different. That's okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about dynamically changing things or whatever right now. Okay. The computer's kind of slow today. I don't know why. 1680 by 50, which is what Cobb has, is actually uncommon. True. True. I think both my monitors are that though. I don't know why. Um, why is there two? Just can't do that there. Gotcha. Okay, slider. Letterboxing. Okay, letterboxing. Alright, www. Outdoor hobby. Let's take a look at this. I'm sure this is exactly what you're talking about. Outdoor hobby that combines elements. Okay. Letterboxing. Firefox? Can I put that in? Will it come up? Will I know what I'm talking about? Yeah, browser. Okay. Flashbang. Jeez. Very pleasant to use, but is... Oh, it isn't very pleasant to use, yeah. Browser feature that adds gray bars around the web view to hide your browser dimensions. Ooh, okay. Has been available in Tor since 2015 and made its way to Firefox. WTOR. Become more concerned about that. When was this written? 2023. Okay. Looks off. Is the techniques? Yeah, I get how that works. WW. Browser needs to know your window size. However, it doesn't need to know the exact size. Letterboxing forces your browser window dimensions to be in multiples of 100 or 50 pixels, and it fills the extra space with gray bars on the sides of the page. Alright, there is a video. What is with the quality? Okay, that's a little better. Right, I see, so I see it. It looks like that. Mm, mm. Mm-hmm. And that's not too bad. At some resolutions, it does seem to be though. Okay, that's kind of, can you enable it in Brave? Bro, shots fired. Gaps are huge on my resolution. What's your resolution? Only Firefox. Okay. You're working on it. Oh, doing a different, but that was 2 years ago. So are they? Do we have anything? We have anything, sir? 1920 by 1080. Flashbang much? We, the users. Close to privacy. Just wanted to try it. Letterboxed. So it does not look like you can do it. Oh, we can watch the Brave movie. You don't have it. Rip. Skull emoji. Skull emoji. Oh, letterbox. That's the website. Okay, it does not seem to have it. Do I have the Tor browser? I do. Hang on, wait, can I launch it? Tor browser launcher. Okay, I do have it. Let me. It's kind of light mode, but so flashbang. Can I? Let me actually close this. Yeah, I'll just do it. I don't know why it's set like this. Can I change it to dark mode? How do I do that? Can you not do that? That might not be it. No. So I don't know how to do that. No dark mode, bro. Okay. Can I do this then? So it's not as bad. How do you do the letter? What? That's not what I want to do. How do you do the letter thing? Yeah. Or does it just always use that? How does it work? About config. Yes. I mean, if your browser agent is on, you're already too on the nose. Imagine how many Arch Linux Tor browser in your... True. Boxing. Yes. Boxing. Wait, is it already on? I'm a little confused. Compact mode. Okay. I don't know that I've ever used this. I didn't even know I had it. I didn't even know I had it installed. Is this it? True. Okay. Connect. It's very flashbang, but you can right click to your tab and press customize and make your browser even more compact. There is no customize. There is no customize. YouTube. Okay, I see actually. I see the box. What the heck? Yes, I accept. Can I do like not really full screen, but larger screen? Trying to. There we go. That's not too bad. Not to the tab section. Okay, I don't know. Like this? Oh, customize toolbar? Is that what you mean? Okay, wait. Can I change this to setting? Yeah, wait, appearance. Dark. And then we have something dark, please. Density. In here? Or in here? I don't know. Density. I don't understand. Why can I can't do dark unless I create an account? Bro, we're cooked. Brave, yeah, Brave browser. I don't think most ISPs in America block Tor. Go to the Brave. No, wait, I want the Brave search rather. Brave search. That's what I meant. Customize density compact. So, no, customize. Okay, density compact. Not supported. I can't use it. Oh, wait, but it does it anyway? Interesting. But yeah, I know that it. Well, yes, I know that the Brave, like on here, I can go here and go to Tor and use Tor. I can set this to. I'm not gonna be doing that today. Dark mode. Can I not have things be dark? Is that not allowed? Do things have to be white? Does everything have to be white? It does. Wait. Okay. It actually is that what came up? Really dark. Everything. Yes. Everything. Well, it's on light mode, and I change it to dark mode, and it doesn't become dark. So, yeah. Dot onion. Let's go to that. There is no dark mode allowed. Okay. W. Paste. Using the dark web right now, except it's in light mode. The light dark web. What's the deal with that? Why is it like this? How about that had an onion thing, right? Sensor traffic as a result through 6 nodes instead of 3. Terminal? Wait, what? settings. Okay. Hold on, restart. Installing updates now. I want to change the stream title because I'm not doing that right now. So Tor. W. Why it didn't work? Did it not work? Yes, it's still in. I don't know what it is. I don't know. We're cooked. We are cooked. Onion eyes. No, I don't want onion eyes. Can I do dark mode here? Oh, it's here. Yeah, but there's no colors here. Why is this? Why? Why? What is the deal here? I don't know why it's like this. Okay, no more. Well, actually, hang on. Why does like to buy a light browser extension? Wait, I don't think I had any browser extension. Yeah, no, but I changed it on DuckDuck. I set it to dark mode, but it was not in dark mode. Like, um, there is no gear. It was this. Settings. Theme section. Hang on. Is there... I don't have anything here. Is this... Does this block it? Can I turn it off? Whoops, I closed it. I closed it. Don't disable it. Okay. I don't know what it does. I don't know anything about this. Themes. Dark. Enable. Can I set this now? Core of safe browsing. Okay. I still like changes that. Now this is dark, but nothing else is. Interesting. Type in anything. Anything. Oh, this is the gear. Okay. Yeah, but well, I can't. Like, this is dark mode. This is light. Yeah, it's GG. I don't know why it is like this. Can I see about this? I see the code for it. Literally 1980. Why am I looking here? I don't want to look here. Finally, no more flashbang. I want no script. Oh, nice, like that, or something, something like that. No script security suite browser extension. W. JavaScript, of course, because it's a browser extension. Can't disable extension. Very true. This is very bad. 1984. Disable restrictions globally. Yes, I won't do that, but I guess you can disable it, so. Yeah, I want to look at this. Why am I looking at this? What was it again? Oh yeah, to see what it does. I'm not gonna be able to tell what it does. I don't know. It's background. Disabling JS. Sus Among Us. What is this? Oh, this is CSS. I clicked on. My bad. Sad the rock. Libre.js. Yeah, I think I've heard of that. Libre just. I think this is in their browser, right? Which is a fork. What is this? Yeah, IceCat. That's what it is. The new IceCat. Yeah, it is in there. Libre and DNS. Okay, W. Waterfall. Yeah, what's on this one? IceCat. Why is everything light? Haven't we moved past light mode as a society? Run by. Does Theo use light mode? I feel like he does. Run by Libre Ops. What is Libre Ops? Light mode again. DNS encrypted classic Etherpad. Okay, W. Wait, online editor. Let's go. It's in light mode. Can I change that? Okay, W. Text. Spelled wrong. That's fine. Vim keybinds. Let's see here. Doesn't look like. Not for that. Oh wait. Okay, that's interesting. That's kind of cool. Okay. W. Line numbers on off. What? Who did this? CIA agent. Public eye. Wait, how do you know? Oh, it's public. Okay. W. W. Let's see. Shift colors. We want that. What's the best language? See, it doesn't change because I don't know how to speak. Go back to English. Let's see. What is that? British English. Let's do that. Boy. Gun party? What? Simple English. What does that mean? Let's not do gun party. On YouTube. This is on Twitch. Okay, this is very cool. I didn't know this was a thing. I should add this multiplayer text edit to my text edit. Chat text. 3, 2, 1. All right, wait, hang on. I'm supposed to look at this thing. I'm gonna leave that open though, because that's the W. Look up sys earn DNS service run by LibreOps. Public encrypted DNS service. Okay, W. Very cool. I'm not gonna look into it too much. That's a W. Big W. I wonder what else they have. Oh, everyone left. It's over. It's over. LibreOps also runs Tor relays, W based. Mastodon? Wait, is that them? Oh, this is just their instance. Okay. Or is it? Did they make it? I don't know. Mumble. Voice chat? Okay, W. Meet. Jitsi? I know about that. W. Jabber. W. Tor relays? Cool. Okay, this is a lot of cool stuff. Good. Text editor. All apps are theirs. Okay, cool. W. That's a cool text editor. I like that. W. Signal. See that one. Use their DNS over HTTPS and then proxy it through Tor. Bro. DNS over. Bro, that's a lot of layers. That's all their projects, right? Okay. Very cool. That's safety. Very true. Yeah, I gotta go pretty soon. Pretty soon. W string. Oh, shoot, that doesn't work. What the heck is that? No. What's Mastodon? It's like a social media thing. Let's go back here. Services that we use. Mastodon. Yeah, so it's like social. So it's like Twitter, but it's part of the what's it called? I forget what it's called. But it's like all connected together, but different instances. Can we get a dark mode, please? See, so it's like Twitter. I don't know what's gonna be on here, so I don't want to scroll down because yeah, sometimes there's things like that. I mean, maybe not on the official one. But yeah, so you can see it's like it looks like Twitter. There's stars, I guess. I don't use it. But that's what it is. And there's other instances. So you can create an account and then I think it links to the other instances, something like that. I think this is what Truth Social, which is the Donald Trump. He made his own after he got banned on Twitter. I don't know if you can access it. Yeah, but it was based on Mastodon, I think. Like the source code. Yeah, open source. Right. Yeah, Mastodon. So yes, that is interesting. Very interesting. Okay, I'm not gonna scroll down anymore. I'd like to see this. I like you can just access it. Unlike Twitter, you cannot just access it. It's a lot smaller. That's cool. W. Very, yes, very true. I remember seeing, like, when it came out, there was some legal issue with it because they had it closed source. Like, I think Mental Outlaw might have made a video. Someone did. One of those people. They used Mastodon, which is open source, but they had it closed source, which isn't allowed. It's against the license. And it was before it actually released, but they had, like, some beta testers or something, and that caused some issues. Can I see the license on it? Those people? What is that? Did I say that? Let me see. Yeah, AP. Yeah, GPL. So yes, I remember that. Yes. Um. Right. So I think you're not allowed to distribute it as closed source. So that was the issue. I don't think anything ever came of it, but because now it's open. Like I pressed on that and it's open. What else can you do here? Let's see. Powered by Etherpad. So is this just an instance? Taking an open source project and making it closed source. Well, then it's open. Then it's open. And it was, I think it was intended to be open. It just wasn't yet. Etherpad. So maybe it's not by them. Yeah, so this is just an instance of it. Okay. Do they run instant? That's what it looks like to me. Because it doesn't seem to be by them. And I think that's what the Mastodon was too. I don't think that was theirs. Invidious because there's no official. Yes, exactly. Yeah, Invidious is one of those, except it's a front end for an existing thing. Yes, people run public instances. That's how Mastodon works, and it looks like this is that. That's how this works as well. I think there's something else here that did too, but maybe not. Perhaps not. There are those instances we don't even know about that people share with friends, and for closed use. Yes, true. Very true. I feel like Luke Smith had some videos on that. Hosting, maybe not Invidious, but something like that. Maybe Mastodon? No, Dispo too. Mastodon. He did some stuff with Mastodon. API.invidious.io. Hashtag NTW. What is this? Oh, yes. He got banned from, not Mastodon, but like one of the big instances there. I remember this. Twitter is leave, yes, very true. I thought he had more about hosting it. The old DistroTube thumbnails. DistroTube's kind of the goat. Or did he have something similar to that? Did I not spell it right? Where did Luke Smith go? Well, this is a very threatening thumbnail. Did he delete a lot of videos or something? Why did they not come up? One of those instances, yes. Giga Chat. He's got some controversial videos on here, so I won't comment. I thought he had something about one of those decentralized things. He political? Yes, very much so. Great browser? Wait, I'm gonna watch this video. I'm not gonna watch it, but I would like to watch it later. Yes, this is what he did. Moved to the country, land, and property needed. A lot of old stuff here. Ardix Linux. Use that. Oh, Git server. Okay, Git server. That might have been it. Was it? I remember he had something about mail, like setting up a mail server. I feel like we can find that. Bash, W bash. Where is the mail server? I remember watching a video on this and I want to do it. Is this me or is it really popular enough to skip is and are and stuff? Is and are. Perhaps. Yes. Don't use Telegram. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Road should be abolished. I remember that video. He programmer, he go very true. He programmer. Yeah, I think that's true. A lot of people say that. I think it's like ironic though. Mental Outlaw channel open live equals ban. Is this true? We got some W thumbnails. His videos are, yeah, some of them are for sure, for sure. And so are Luke Smith's. They're quite similar in that aspect. And hamburgers, W hamburgers. Where's the mail server? Right in there. I have to search for it. Oh shoot. It's the second video here. Here it is. Okay. Website and email servers. That's one of them. There was some more. He had a lot of them. Host your own mail server. Yeah. And then there's the Git server. Setting up personal email server. He made a lot of videos on this. What the heck? Email on the terminal. Okay. Yes, that's all of them. Very cool. Very cool. He's also very political. Yeah. It seems a lot of them are. Like DistroTube. I mean, he kind of... Like, we saw the gun thing. And some other ones are more political. Luke Smith and Mental Outlaw. I don't think they're in necessarily the same place politically, but they are political. I2P videos, let's see. He promotes it, but he doesn't use it, right? He uses Gentoo. Mental Outlaw. I2P. I don't know that I've seen any of his I2P videos. Okay, W. Is this the logo for it? The mascot guy? Listen to Mental Outlaw as a background. Real and true. He's got a good voice. Honeypots. See, how many subscribers does he have right now? 600. That's a lot of subscribers. I remember, like, pre-30K, I think. Yeah, I should watch these. I have not watched. I don't know if I watched any of them because I've never heard anything about I2P before you talked about it. Yeah, I gotta go though. I gotta go. I realize it is kind of late, so I must go. So I think everything is pushed, right? Yeah, I just did. Okay, yep. W and based. So W stream. Saying W too much. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. We wrapping things up. Very true. Goodbye.